Hi, I am Gautam Jha, PGP 23 student of IIM Nagpur. I am a BCom with 13 months of work experience. I have scored 99.6 percentile in CAT 2022. This was my first attempt. I have invested 1 year for my CAT preparation. During my CAT preparation, I have decided that I am going to put one and only attempt for my CAT preparation. That pushed me throughout my journey to perform well in my first attempt itself. I scored 99.79 percentile in DLR section. My goal was to solve as many sets as possible. I have solved more than 1000 sets in DLR section. During my preparation, my strategy for DLR section was to climb up the ladder step by step. So I started with solving easy sets, then I went to moderate sets, and during the last 3 months I have solved tough sets of DLR. So additionally, I have also focused on analyzing the mocks. It helped me to identify the tough questions and easy questions during the CAT examination. I chose a balance of 70-30. 70% focus on self-study and rest focus on coaching. So for me, this type of balance was efficient because my primary focus was on self-study and rest 30% that we need to give was on the topics where you are facing difficulties. So my last suggestion would be, if you are feeling burnout, take a rest and start preparing again. All the best.